What if I told you there's a drone so simple to fly that almost anyone can capture cinematic footage on their very first flight? And the crazy part is, it folds small enough to fit in your pocket, but the video quality looks like it came from a much bigger and more expensive drone. So before you decide if the DJI Flip is worth your money, watch this video until the end, because there's one feature most people completely miss, and it could change the way you look at this drone. Welcome back to Drone Dominator. Today we're checking out the all-new DJI Flip, and after spending time looking at everything it offers, I can honestly say this might be one of DJI's smartest compact drones yet. The first thing you'll notice is the unique design. Unlike most drones, the DJI Flip comes with built-in foldable propeller guards. They don't just make the drone look different, they also make flying feel much safer, especially if you're new to drones or flying around friends and family. Getting started is incredibly easy. Open the drone, power it on, connect your controller, and within seconds you're ready to fly. No confusing setup. No long learning process. Just launch and start creating amazing shots. And here's something I really like. The DJI Flip isn't trying to impress you with complicated features. Instead, it focuses on making every flight simple, smooth, and enjoyable. The camera is where this drone really starts to shine. It records beautiful 4K footage with sharp details, natural colors, and impressive dynamic range. Whether you're filming a sunrise, a road trip, a beach vacation, or your next YouTube video, the footage looks clean and professional. The 3-axis gimbal keeps every shot incredibly smooth. Even if there's a little wind, the stabilization does an excellent job of removing unwanted shake, so your videos look polished without spending hours editing. Here's something every content creator should hear. Great videos aren't created by expensive gear. They're created by capturing moments at the right time, and the DJI Flip makes that easier than ever. Now don't skip ahead, because in a moment I'll show you the feature that makes this drone different from almost every other compact drone, and it's honestly one of the biggest reasons people are talking about it. Battery life is another strong point. You get enough flying time to explore different locations, try creative angles, and capture everything you need without constantly worrying about landing to recharge. DJI also includes intelligent flight modes that make cinematic shots almost effortless. With just a few taps, the drone can follow you automatically, fly smooth circles around your subject, or create dramatic reveal shots that normally require a skilled pilot. Watching the drone do all the hard work while you focus on your creativity is honestly one of the best parts of the experience. And that's exactly why so many beginners can create videos that look like they were filmed by professionals. One thing I really appreciate is how confident this drone feels in everyday flying. It responds quickly to your controls, but it never feels intimidating. Even if you're still learning, you'll feel comfortable after just a few flights. The obstacle-friendly design gives you extra peace of mind, especially when flying in tighter spaces. Of course, you should always fly carefully, but it's nice knowing DJI designed this drone with safety in mind. Another feature that deserves more attention is how quickly you can share your content. Once you land, you can transfer your footage to your phone and start editing almost immediately. That means less waiting and more creating. If you're a YouTuber, a travel creator, or someone who simply loves capturing memories, this workflow saves a lot of time. Here's something to remember. People don't subscribe because your drone is expensive. They subscribe because your videos make them feel something, and that's exactly where the DJI Flip can help. It removes the technical stress so you can focus on telling better stories. Now here's the feature I told you to wait for. The biggest advantage of the DJI Flip isn't just the camera or the flight time, it's how incredibly easy it is to carry everywhere. Because it's so compact, you'll actually bring it with you more often. And the best drone is always the one you have with you when the perfect moment happens. Whether you're hiking, traveling, exploring a new city, or spending time with friends, the DJI Flip is ready within seconds. That convenience is something you don't fully appreciate until you start using it. So is the DJI Flip worth buying? If you're looking for your first drone, the answer is absolutely yes. If you want a lightweight travel drone that delivers impressive video quality without making flying complicated, this is easily one of the best options available. It offers excellent image quality, smooth stabilization, intelligent flight modes, a portable design, and the trusted DJI experience in one compact package. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest drone reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.